Yeah, howdy y'all. So if you're wondering what do you do on a rainy day on the ranch, you clean up the mess you made on the sunny days. Check this out. I am in my tool truck, and as you can see, it is just a bit on the cluttered side. There's a good reason for it though. I work all day all the way up until dark, then I grab my tools and I just sit them in the back. The next morning I take off, go right back to work. Trying to build this little ranch, and it gets a bit cluttered. You know, mechanic tools, jumper cables, air compressor, chainsaw, and all the little hand tools. And then you end up with a rainy day. I don't know if y'all can hear that or see it, but it's just a steady drizzle coming down. Enough you don't want to be out in it. So, I clean up on those days. Now I know some of you are saying, what is all that junk? Just throw it away. Well, I would, except I know it's not junk. I love nuts. Y'all don't go crazy with that statement. But I do like nuts, and these are awesome. My wife saves these for me. And I have a whole bunch of them back in there that I use for nails, screws, fasteners. Because with the large top, it's easy to be able to reach in and get it. Listen to that rain in the background. Ooh, look at all that stuff. There's some good red wire nuts. I have a place for those. There's some tile spacers. And a whole bunch. I believe those are 8-penny, maybe 6, but I think those are 8-penny finish nails. And they will go in their own container. Then there's some of these expensive screws, deck screws, well worth the time to separate out. Out of all that trash in the bottom of the bucket, I probably have 4 or 5 pounds of good quality finish nails, a little rusty, so I'll be careful what I use them on. But they're still good, and I got all those screws out of it as well. And there is back to organized to the point where you can work out of it. It's not perfect. You can spend hours and hours going through every little bin, nook and cranny. But plumbing, electrical, paint, tools, and I can go back to work now.